Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to open a nationwide bank account in 2025. With banking getting more digital every year, this process is quicker than ever, but we'll walk through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. Whether you're a first-time banker or switching from another provider, Nationwide offers great options like high-interest savings and easy mobile access. Let's get started. First things first, check your eligibility. In 2025, you'll typically need to be at least 18 years old, a UK resident, and have a valid form of ID. Head over to the Nationwide website or app to see if you qualify. It's straightforward and takes just a minute. Next, gather your documents. You'll need proof of identity, like a passport or driving license, and proof of address, such as a utility bill from the last 3 months. If you're applying online, scan these ready to upload. Now, decide on the account type. Nationwide has options like a standard current account for everyday use, or a savings account with competitive rates. Think about what you need most, maybe something with no fees or bonus perks for new customers. Time to apply. Go to the Nationwide website, click on Open an Account, and follow the prompts. You'll enter your personal details, upload your documents, and answer a few security questions. If you prefer in-person help, visit a branch. They're still available for a more hands-on experience. Once submitted, verify your identity. This might involve a quick video call or a one-time code sent to your phone. It's all about keeping things secure in today's world. Finally, fund your account. Transfer money from another bank or deposit cash at a branch, and you're good to go. You'll get a debit card and online access within a few days. There you have it. That's how to open a Nationwide bank account in 2025. It's simple, secure, and can save you money with their great rates. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.